Hey y'all, so I'm finally back with part 2. I know I'm like a month late, but here you go. So y'all already saw this. This is the wig that I'm working with. My client got this wig from AliExpress, and I ain't even gonna lie, the lace was alright. But this was how it was after I shampooed it and all that. And then I curled her up, and yo, wait a minute. This lace though, get into this lace. The lace was actually good. Like, lace wasn't bad. But the wig, the hair wasn't my favorite, so I just curled it, and yeah, ain't too much to say about it, because why this video clip this fucking long? God damn. Alright, so she bought on glue, and bitches is always doing the most. I didn't like the glue, it was too watery. Girl had me in here watching motherfucking Skin Bone, and I never watched this a day in my life, but the shit was funny. And finally, she got her hair done. That's her. This is my little young boy right here, y'all. This is Brianna. Say hi, boo. Or not. But this is my little young baby. Brianna. Got her little wig together, little edges. You can see the little spray drops running down her head. Don't even worry about that. Yeah, she talking cold hard shit, but we do that. We do that. So yeah, this is just me showing y'all the hair. This is her. Being her. And yeah, that's what they gave. This part 2. Go watch part 1, then come back and watch part 2 again, bitch.